Good morning, children. Today, we are going to look at your textbook, page 62 and 63. 同学们早上好，今天我们要看的是课本62以及63页。Before we go to the reading activities, let's look at some vocabulary. Can you say the word with me? Motorbike, motorbike. Wheel, wheel. Taxi, taxi. Comfortable, comfortable. Exciting, exciting. Tourist, tourist. Slow, slow. Alright. How many different means of transport do you know of? Listen and read. Please read after me. Different means of transport. A tuk-tuk looks like a motorbike. With 3 wheels. The driver sits in the front and 2 to 3 people can sit in the back. Many tourists take tuk-tuks in Thailand. They can be faster than taxis. Riding in tuk-tuks is fun and exciting too. Very good. Now let's go to number 2. Gondolas are long boats. In the past, people used them in Venice, Italy. To get from one place to another. Gondolas are very slow. Riding in a gondola isn't very comfortable. But tourists love it. Very good. Now let's move on to number 3. People ride snowmobiles on snow. Snowmobiles haven't got wheels. They have got skis. They can go very fast. Snowmobile drivers have to wear a helmet. And very warm clothes. It can't get very cold on a snowmobile. Very good, children. You have just finished the reading. Now let's look at them one by one. Different means of transport 就是不同的交通工具。 A tuk-tuk looks like a motorbike with 3 wheels. Tuk-tuk 就是有3个轮子的摩托车。The driver sits in front and 2 to 3 people can sit in the back. 司机坐在前面，后面可以坐2到3个人。Many tourists take tuk-tuks in Thailand. 很多游客都在泰国乘搭 tuk-tuk. They can be faster than taxis. 他们可以比德士更快。Riding in tuk-tuks is fun and exciting too. 乘搭 tuk-tuk 很有趣，又很刺激。Number 2. Gondolas are long boats. Gondola 就是长长的船。In the past, people used them in Venice, Italy, to get from one place to another. In the past, 以前，在威尼斯，意大利的人都用 gondola 来从一个地方到另一个地方去。Gondolas are very slow. Gondola 非常的慢。Riding in a gondola isn't very comfortable. 乘搭 gondola 也不是非常的舒服。But tourists love it. 可是游客都非常的喜欢。Next, people ride snowmobiles on snow. 人们都在雪地上骑雪橇。Snowmobiles haven't got wheels. 雪橇是没有轮子的。They have got skis. 他们有的是滑板。They can go very fast. 他们非常的快。Snowmobile drivers have to wear a helmet and very warm clothes. 雪橇的骑士需要穿上一个安全帽以及保暖的衣服。It can't get very cold on a snowmobile. 乘搭雪橇的时候会非常的冷。Alright, children, the value of the day is understand different cultures. 我们要明白不一样的文化。Understand different cultures. Alright, children, that's all for today. Thank you and bye.